This week we were staying at a bed and breakfast which has recently gone viral on TikTok, and for good reason. It first shot to fame after appearing on the TV show Four in a Bed, before reaching a whole new audience through TikTok. We cannot wait to arrive and see for ourselves if it's worth the hype. So we've just arrived at probably the nicest place we've ever stayed. So as you come into our room just behind you there, we've got our own little fridge here with some milk inside for us. We've got loads of teas, coffees, some little cakes here, and our mugs. We've got this massive, super comfortable bed, so you just sink right into it. And through into our bathroom. Oh, so nice. We've got some robes. And the most amazing big bath here. One of the best parts, you can sit in the bath here and you have a perfect view of the TV. And the best part about this room, it's just through this way. Here. So we've got our lovely little chair here and our shell table and what would be an amazing view out over the sea. Let's see if we can fix that. That's better. We were truly blown away by this incredible breakfast spread prepared by our lovely host and his grandson. We opted for the avocado and poached egg on toast and a vegetarian full English. So we've just finished the most incredible breakfast of our life. We got full for our croissant, so we've got to take away for later. Our host is amazing. He's been telling us all about the local area, things we can see and do today. And the most amazing part about this whole breakfast was just that view over the water. So our host suggested we come on a walk to the local town called Margate. It's about an hour's walk from here, just along the waterfront here. He said there should be some little cafes, restaurants, bars, quirky shops and things like that when we get there. So we're going to go and check it out and see what there is to see. So we made it to Margate. Unfortunately the weather totally took a turn for the worst. It's now started to rain quite heavily. So we just jumped into the arcade across the road. Played our favourite, the 2 pence machines. So we just took a couple of pounds, played on them, somehow managed to win a ticket jackpot, so we got some little prizes. We got some sweets, some bubbles, and a little wooden hang glider thing. So pretty cool, not bad for £2. We loved what we'd seen so far of Margate, so we decided to give it a second chance and came back the following day. Luckily it was much drier. So our host Neil was telling us about the area of Margate. He was telling us that the area had been quite run down for some time, and then about 10 or 11 years ago a new contemporary art gallery called the Turner Art Gallery opened here. It injected a lot of money into the area, which brought with it jobs, cafes and lots of other businesses. So he said it's something that's definitely worth checking out in the area, so that's what we're here to do today first of all.
Next on our agenda was a visit to Margate Caves. Those caves were actually really cool. I didn't know really what to expect from there, but they were A lot bigger than I thought. The volunteer there was telling us it used to be a chalk mine, and then later on the newer owner rediscovered it again, and then he commissioned artists to do some paintings across the various columns. Subsequent owners, they got new paintings done. It's been a tourist attraction for over 150 years now. There's quite a lot of graffiti in it, which is a bit of a shame, but yeah, there's just various paintings from various different artists of various different decades. So really cool place, and it was pretty quiet when we went, so the volunteer was almost like a private tour. She was just telling us everything about it, and there was no one else around. She was really nice and it was really interesting, so yeah.
Before we knew it, it was already our last morning here. We're just back from another amazing breakfast. We've got our bags packed and ready to go. We've only got about 20 minutes left, so we're just enjoying our final cup of tea. I really don't want to leave. So this is definitely one of the most amazing places I've ever stayed. The hosts are lovely, the food's amazing, the room is amazing, and the views as well. So we're really gonna miss this place.